I like the driving, I like the freedom, I like the movement, the traveling up and down the roads, watching the changing seasons as you go down the road, up and down. You get to see a lot of country up and down the highways, and you can watch the seasons change. It's always enjoyable to watch it go from, you know, white winter to green spring to golden fall.
Gentle, I guess. You know, I don't remember him upset. He was, like I say, he was a very gentle person, and safety, that was number one. How to do it right. And do it right only once, not twice, once.
Make sure your truck's in good condition. Working here, it's pretty good. I've been here long enough that they know that I look after the equipment, treat it like it's my own, even though it's theirs. So any little things that need fixing, I make sure they're fixed, so we don't have needless breakdowns along the way. And sometimes breakdowns are unavoidable because it's a machine, but you also, when you're driving, you want to always be alert, always be watching out. You watch out for other traffic on the road, you watch out for other drivers.
Well, I mean, Wayne's been with us for, I don't know, probably 20 years, over 20 years already, and just professional all the way. I mean, for Wayne, it's not a job, it's a career, and he takes it very seriously.
You do the best you can, right? And customers usually have a time limit. Stuff has to be delivered by a certain time. So as you show up on time for work, you make sure that you're in early enough that you can make your run. If the weather's bad, you want to try and get away earlier if possible. You can't always do it. Sometimes it takes longer to get loaded or whatever, but then you don't waste time on your way there. You get there as quickly as you can without doing anything that's not safe. Like bad weather, you don't want to be driving faster than you should for the road conditions, right? Because it's better to be a few minutes late than not get there at all.
Above all, Wayne cares about his employer, our customers, and the general traveling public, with safety in mind at all times, as his record over his driving career has displayed.
Where for Wayne, I mean, it's all about business, taking care, responsibility, longevity. I mean, that's just Wayne. I mean, that's just his nature. I mean, you know.
Congratulations for the award. You did deserve it. You have deserved it for a long time. With the things, your conscientiousness, your safety records and all, couldn't go to a better man.
I'd just like to thank Wayne for a good job done, very well deserved in his award. Very professional, good job.
Congratulations on winning this award, Wayne. It's well deserved. A long time coming. You should have been recognized a long time ago.
Wayne, it is a privilege and an honor to work with you, to congratulate you on being selected as Driver of the Year. And those selections were made easy by the way that you handle yourself and the things you do and the things that you say and the things that you don't say. Again, congratulations and many, many more successful years. Thank you.